Downloading your account data from your Apple ID can help you manage your information and keep track of your usage. Follow these steps to retrieve your data. Step 1. Sign into your Apple ID account. Visit the Apple ID website and log in using your Apple ID and password. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to Data and Privacy. Once logged in, look for the Data and Privacy section. This area contains options related to your personal information and data management. Step 3. Request your data. In the Data and Privacy section, find the option to request a copy of your data. Click on it to start the process of selecting the data you want to download. Step 4. Select data types. You will be presented with a list of data types available for download. Choose the specific data you wish to download, such as purchase history, iCloud data, or other account information. Step 5. Confirm and download. After selecting the data types, confirm your request. Apple will prepare your data, which may take some time. You will receive a notification when your data is ready for download, at which point you could access it through the provided link. By following these steps, you can successfully download your account data from your Apple ID. Make sure to keep this information secure and review it regularly.